Hey everyone, Aaron here with superukulele.com. And first of all, I just have to say thank you for the love lately, you guys. Truly, it means a lot to me. Thank you. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to play 21 Pilots uke version of Can't Help Falling in Love. Subscribe for more lessons like this, and grab my free 50-page ebook by clicking on the link in the description or by using the link in this video at the end of the lesson. I'm using standard tuning on a concert uke with a standard high G for the number 4 string. So in other words, not the thicker low G that I used in my lesson on how to play Somewhere Over the Rainbow by Is. Make sure your uke is tuned and check out my video on how to tune if you need help with that. In this song, there are just 7 easy chords. I'll quickly show you how to hold them. If you're already confident with these chords, feel free to skip ahead to the strum. There is a time key in the description. The first chord is a C. Just put your ring finger on the 1st string 3rd fret. The rest of the strings are open. The next chord is E minor. Use your index finger on the 1st string 2nd fret. Middle finger is the 2nd string 3rd fret. Ring finger is the 3rd string 4th fret. And the 4th string is open. The next chord is A minor. Middle finger on the 4th string 2nd fret. The rest of the strings are open. Now we'll move on to F. Take your index finger, place it on the 2nd string 1st fret, your middle finger on the 4th string 2nd fret, leave the other 2 strings open. And now for the G chord, take your index finger, place it on the 3rd string 2nd fret, your middle finger on the 1st string 2nd fret, and ring finger on the 2nd string 3rd fret. Top strings open. And now for A7, take your index finger, place it on the 3rd string 1st fret, and the remaining strings are open. Last chord is B7. Just bar the 2nd fret with your index finger and place your middle finger on the 3rd string 3rd fret and play all the strings. The strum pattern for this song is extremely simple. It's just down, down, up, played pretty much through the entire song. There are just 3 parts of the song really, the verse and the chorus. Pretty much throughout the entire song there's also a bridge, but I'm going to show you the verse first. Wise men say only fools rush in, 'cause I can't help falling in love with you. Last part of the song is the bridge. You're going to start with E minor. You're going to go from E minor to B7. Do that 3 times. So E minor, B7, E minor, B7, and then to A7, to F, G, and then back to the verse. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things were meant to be. Only one more thing you need to know about this song, and that's at the very ending. It's how it ends on the last chorus. During that chorus, there is an A minor inserted where a C normally is, and held out a little. And then just for the last few chords that end the song completely, the C is held out, the G is held out a little longer, and then it ends with 1 strum on the C. Let me play that through for you. 'Cause I can't help falling in love with you. There's that A minor I was talking about. Then it ends with 'cause I can't help falling in love. Hold that C with hold that G. You So that's the lesson. Not too bad, right? I think it was fairly easy in general. If you enjoyed this lesson, give me a thumbs up to let other people know that you liked it. And if there's a song that you're just dying for me to do, let me know in the comments. I'd love to say hi. Remember to subscribe for more lessons like this. For superukulele.com, this is Aaron Smith. I'll see you next time. P.S. You rock.